Hello and welcome to our call tracking overview. What we're going to do right now is go over what it looks like for your login for call tracking. And we use a company called Call Tracking Metrics, and this is what their interface looks like. You can see that it's branded to our company right here. This could be branded to your company or white labeled, whatever you choose. And so when you first log in, this is kind of what you see is kind of an overview of the reports of the calls that have come in. And so you can see the average call duration, the calls and repeat calls, the number of calls, that kind of a thing. And then you can see what locations they came from. If it's from some kind of an advertising source or a website, we can set this up to whatever it needs to be. And then so you can sort it by day, week, or month kind of thing. So it'll just kind of rearrange it. And then what you can, so this is just the overview right here, but you have lots of options. You have different types of reports in here that you can choose to see. You can also, under reporting, you can see the call reports, which are the actual phone calls per day that you can see, and you can see the number of calls and the average minutes and things like that. So it's kind of a different view of the reports. And then you can see any tags. If we set up any tags for you, that gets to be a little bit more advanced. In any ROI reports, which is if there is a cost or a value based on the phone calls right here, we can set that up as well. That is, again, a little bit more advanced. But you can also take a look at the call log by clicking on calls, and you can see all the calls that have come in. So you can see in detail when they came in. You can see all the details about them. You can see where it came from, the website that it came to. So this is the number that it came to. You can score them. If you're using call tracking metrics, you can click on this and you can provide a score. And you can say this reporting call was, right here you can say that it was converted or not. I'm just going to close it now. But you can score these so you can keep track of which ones are good phone calls. And you can see the audio was 15 seconds on this one. You can listen to it. This is where all of the calls are recorded and all the details about the call. And so this is basically all the metrics right here. I'm not going to get into the emailing too much right now. But basically, you can see the calls and you can see the text messages of people that had sent in the text messages. So we use this to verify their Google account. And I also sent in a test right here. And so basically this is just an overview of the call tracking metrics for the call tracking. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next go round. Thanks.